Alright guys, here we are. First vlog. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm here with Kiani.
Start from somewhere, right?
Here with the A team, the new family. Here we go. We got Jummy, the colleague.
Hello.
And we got Baby.
Baby Kiara.
Say hello.
Say hello. Say hello.
Alright, so we're waiting for Ohi to pick up his money. He's doing a deal at the moment. The deal went sour originally, but you know what? He's gonna get that money. Because this is America. This is America.
This is Australia,
Because this is Australia.
not America.
And we're just here outside of this car park
Where I used to work.
where I used to be the cleaner for a year and a half. Getting paid $10 a night, hustling. That's where you got to begin. You know, started from the bottom, now we're here. Sitting in a really nice car. What's this, Volkswagen? Volkswagen, look at this. All paid by Drake. That's right, you heard it first. Drake International.
Not the Drake from
Not the
Canada.
rapper. Because this is Australia. And there's no rappers over here. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys in a moment.